So today I just wanted to make a quick video to warn you about a certain niche I believe a lot of you might be selling in, at least some of you will be, and you should probably stop selling it. The reason I'm telling you this is because I actually had takedown notices from Redbubble for my designs in the Oktoberfest niche. Now the Oktoberfest, if you've never heard of it, actually originates in Munich, which is in Germany, and it's just a massive festival where people drink beer all day basically. And the reason they were taken down is because the city of Munich actually complained to Redbubble saying that it's their intellectual property, the design should be removed. If the city of Munich is writing to Redbubble about this, they'll probably also look on Amazon. That is why I believe if you've got designs up on Amazon, Merch by Amazon shirts, or even Seller Central, make that your first priority. Just take them down just in case. Keep your accounts safe. I definitely did the same for myself. I have those same designs, or I had those same designs up on Amazon as well. I hope I can give some of you a head start on this sort of wave of removals that might be coming in for Oktoberfest designs. It's definitely something natural to happen if you have thousands of designs out there. It's impossible to keep track of copyright, trademarks, new trademarks propping up. You might have just thought, like me, that Oktoberfest is sort of like a national holiday, and that it is in fact public domain. Mistakes can be made. It doesn't really matter as long as you get your designs down as quickly as possible to avoid any removals from Merch by Amazon and any takedown notices on Redbubble or other marketplaces. So I hope this video helps you out. Keep your accounts safe, and if you want to learn more about copyright and trademarks, then I recommend you check out this video next, which is my full guide about the topic, also giving you tools and tips on how to keep your accounts safe.